guys, Aviation 67 here with another YouTube video. Today guys, we're going to be having a big unboxing, 5 airplanes. The box might be big, but yeah, let's get into the video though. If you guys see I'm rushing, I have some stuff I have to do today, so. Sweet. Yo, this box is destroyed. Are you serious? I feel like I hear broken models. So first we have is Spirit A321. Nice model. Nope, it's brand new. Nothing wrong with it at all. There it is. Spirit A321. In the Bearfair library. We got 2 of those now, if you guys cannot tell. Let me show you the other one. Right here. Here they are. 1 and 2. Now let's get into the next, sorry for that. Let's get in the next model, Airbus A319. Here's the model. Jeez, this is hard. Oh yes, this is a nice model as well. Let's put that down there. Make sure it's not broken. Here it is, Airbus A319, United new livery. Nice model as well. Delta 737-800. 737-800. Let's see. All these models never came broken yet. Not so bad for unboxing as well, because I don't like broken models. Here is 737-800 in the new livery. Not bad at all. Then we have a Delta A321, a new model for Gemini Jets 2020. Yep. This model is super nice, I heard, and I want it. Here it is. A321. And then last but not least, we have Alaska 737-900. I just have to take these out. Here it is. But yeah, that'll be it for this unboxing. If you guys do enjoy, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.